This is the answer we got for the aggregate confusion matrix. In this matrix, which true positive and true negative and other is confusing? Okay. No idea. How can I interpret that? Okay. Thanks for your honesty, Alan. You know, it's not always easy to admit when you don't know something, but that's a very valuable skill for data scientists, right? Data scientists should know when they can speak from knowledge and when they can't. So kudos to you for stepping up and saying, hey, I don't get this. Yassine says it looks okay for this specific problem. Okay. Why, Yassine? Why does it look okay? Like, why would, what's your rationale for saying that? Because some people in the chat are saying, hey, I don't know, right? So help us understand your rationale. There's no wrong answer here, guys. I just want to see the rationale and I'll walk you through it, right? We're gonna all learn this. I'll give you just a chance here to look at it. What do you guys think? Wow, guys, we are approaching 2 hours. Good for all of you guys for hanging in there. I just looked at the clock and we're at an hour 45 right now. Wow. You guys are amazing. All right. So I love the fact that we can go over confusion matrices right now. And we're using this to evaluate our model. But by the way, understanding a confusion matrix, invaluable skill, right? And that's actually a question I ask. I ask, what is a confusion matrix and what does it tell you? That's one of my interview questions. So it's good that we're able to go over this right now. And what we're about to cover, I'm going to walk you through this. Keep in mind, you're going to be doing this throughout your career, right? Because this is basically like you using your mind to analyze and say, oh, okay, yeah, I'm on the right track, or no, geez, that was terrible. What am I doing, right? Okay. So Yassine says, because it only has made 4 guesses wrong out of 150 in a specific problem, I think we can afford this amount of mistakes. Okay. Okay, Yassine. So Yassine is saying that we've only made 4 mistakes out of 150. Some of you may be wondering how he came up with that. And he's right. You know, his read on that is correct. So let's go over that. So the first thing you should know is that the iris dataset is about that. It's about irises. It's about flowers. And within those flowers, within irises, there's different types of flowers, different types of irises. There's setosa, versicolor, and virginica, I guess it's pronounced. So you can have 3 classes of irises, right?